Hello, calculus class. Give my chance to talk to you a little bit more. This problem is similar to what you've been seeing on your online homework, but I just want to talk you through it, make sure you understand the terminology and what actually it's asking you. Here's the general function, just a function they give you. Now it's asking you to find the derivative of it. What is it at x equals 1? Now what is this asking you to do? Derivative of it is going to be the dy dx. But now, that also is the exact same thing as saying what is the general equation to finding the slope of a tangent line of this function, or crossing that function. Now, in order to do that, you have to use the product rule, which means you take the derivative of the first times this plus the first times the derivative of the second part. That means the 2 goes in front, x plus 1, subtract 1 from the exponent, so that's the first. Then you have to also multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 1. I don't know if that was too quick. You can watch it back and work through that problem. Now, this is saying the general rule for to find the slope. General function. But now, right here it tells you, I know at what point I want to cross this function. I want it to touch that function at x equals 1. Put 1 back into this problem for x. You're left with 3 times 1 to the second plus 1 to the second. Okay, you do your math with that problem. You're left with 3 times 4 plus 4. Everybody agree? 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, you do this, you get 16. So m equals 16. Now, we found the slope of the tangent line. It's going to be crossing this function at x equals 1. Now I want you to find the equation for the tangent line, which would be, I always use just a slope-intercept form. You could also use the point-slope form, which is what they are using in your online. You get the exact same answer. I'm just going to plug 16 in here for m. I know x is going to be 1, but I also got to find out what y is. In order to do that, I just put 1 in here for x. Find out what y equals. It comes out to be 4. So we know if we put 4 in for y, 16 is m, x is 1 plus b. We do the math, we find out what b equals negative 12. So now we know the equation of the tangent line that crosses through the point x equals 1 for this function. Y equals 16x minus 12. That's what your homework is asking you to do.